What's going on, everybody?
Hello.
Welcome to day 2 in our magical Disney-themed house. We are off. We're going to go get some groceries so we can have our cookout and hang out by the pool today.
I'm going to be very squinty because I didn't put my sunglasses on. I have my regular glasses on so I can actually see.
I just looked on the maps. There's a Publix that's relatively close, like I'm going to assume like a 10-minute drive. And all we have to do is pop out. We're right by the back gate in this community, so off to Publix. Let's get some burgers, hot dogs, whatever else we can find.
I wonder how it's going to work when we come back in this time. Because like will be our first time like leaving and coming back. So I wonder how like the situation is like when you come back in after we've already like, you know, checked in and everything.
I think we can just go into the guest side instead of the other side because we do have that slit on the dashboard. So
I'm just curious how that's going to work.
I'll let you know. Off to Publix. Okay, made it to Publix. Good news, it is literally 1 mile away from the house or the community. So very simple. Always recommend Publix. Now let's get some stuff. Oh, there's also a Chinese restaurant in this plaza. There's a pizza place behind us that's on the other side of the road.
There's a place at the end though over there too. I think it said Mia Pizza or something.
So you got some options for pizza and stuff, and there's also some kind of cafe on the end over here. All right, let's go get some meats. This is what it's looking like. It's gonna be about $400. Let's go check out. Mission accomplished. Back to the house. We are ready for our cookout. So, a little bit of yellow corn, 1 tomato, lettuce for the burgers. Got 4 burgers, so if we get a little hungry later, there's gonna be some leftovers. Pro tip, if you are gonna cook in these houses, don't forget your seasonings like we did. So we just bought salt and pepper. Watermelon, buy one, get one free. Got the buns, the sweetest sweet tea on earth.
I love that sweet tea. It's my favorite.
Nathan's. If we're doing hot dogs, it's Nathan's. Beverages for now, little pick-me-ups. Ketchup, also buy one, get one free. We are not ketchup obsessed. Cookies, combos, and some cheese for the burgers.
So I don't want them to think that we are like some basic, no seasoning type of people. How do you normally season your burgers?
Salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika.
Yeah, so they're usually like more like flavorful, but obviously since we already have a lot of stuff at our house, and I totally was gonna tell you to bring like some seasonings. I knew that we were gonna be cooking out, and I totally forgot. So whatever.
Oh well.
I'm just glad I'll have cheese on mine because that will be enough flavor for me anyways. And you don't like cheese on your burgers.
I don't. Let the cookout begin. Got the doors open, halfway. Got the jams on. I'm gonna prep these hamburgers. I'm gonna jump in the pool for a little while, and then we'll start grilling out. Not sure why I said prep, because they're already shaped, and I'm literally putting salt and pepper on them, so there's that. Also, if you haven't already, we're getting there. Subscribe for more. So, update on experience of staying here. The hot tub wasn't working. We kind of just said whatever last night, and I wanted to let Samantha, the owner of the house, know, hey, hot tub's not getting hot. Immediately, she was like, I'm sending somebody out. And like me being me, I'm not one to complain and gripe about stuff. I said, hey, can I do it? Like, what do I have to do? If we're just flipping switches, just tell me what to do. So she just told me what to do. I flipped the switch, literally, and we have a hot tub. But these people, they'll take care of you if you stay here. So, I happen to have my soccer ball in the trunk, so I have something to shoot in the little basketball hoop with. But, let's make a bet. If I make this, we are getting a boarding group for Tiana's tomorrow.
Did you ever look in that closet that's in there that has like all the pool stuff? What was in there, just like life jackets?
So if you have young ones with you, they have 2 life jackets in there and some like pails, like pail and shovel, even though there's no sand, but I don't know.
Kids can. I'm sure they would probably play with it in the pool. Just put water and stuff in it.
Let's see.
Your little man might be in the way.
You gambling woman? If you could change your fate, would you? Alright, so we're not getting on Tiana's.
No, that's not what's happening. We're getting on there. We're doing it. We originally were just gonna go Sunday and we would just have the one chance to do it, but we thought of a plan to try to get it Saturday, and if we can get it Saturday, then we're gonna go Saturday to make sure we at least get on it at all. But we're just gonna do like a short day, and then Sunday we're gonna try to get on it again, and then we're gonna have like a full Magic Day like on Sunday since we're checking out Sunday. Saturday we don't want to waste like our whole day there just because it's our last day to be here at the house. So we're just gonna ride Tiana's if we can on Saturday, and then go back and ride it again Sunday if we're really lucky.
I think we'll get on.
I hope so. I think maybe now that a few days has passed since it's open, maybe it'll be a little bit easier to get on there.
People are saying the boarding groups go like.
Well, that's what I'm saying.
But they always have, so I don't.
Yeah.
I think we'll be fine. Hopefully we can get an earlier boarding.
Fingers crossed for us. Yeah, I hope so. You better get on there like right away. Because can we do it at the same time, and like for like one of us can get it before one or the other, or will it like error us out because we're trying at the same time?
I don't know. We've never tried that. I don't think anybody's ever tried that. I don't think it's a good idea.
Okay, I'm just wondering. Maybe one time randomly we can try it at like 1 o'clock or something. You know, like for like the 1 o'clock virtual.
Let's test that for like Tron or something.
Just see.
Does,
I don't mean tomorrow. I'm saying like, say we get it tomorrow. You know how there's 2 virtual groups. There's 7 o'clock and 1 o'clock. If we get it for 7 o'clock, then we get it. But we can test the 1 o'clock thing out and just see if we try it at the same time. I'm just saying like more of us can be trying for the 2 of us to maybe get it. But I don't know if it'll error us out or what that does.
Let's try it. If we're still
just
there.
try it. Yeah.
The 1 o'clock is the in park one, so
right.
Who knows how long we're going to be there anyway.
Yeah.
And I'm looking forward to the moment we both are like, it's hot, and then we get to come back and we have a pool.
Yeah, I'm excited about that. That's why I was telling them Saturday, if we do get to go on it, it'll just be a very short, we're going on there, we're gonna look at the merch, and then we're basically just coming back here. That's it. We're not doing anything else, because Sunday we were planning on actually having like a full Magic Kingdom day, since we're checking out of here rather than just going home and just being at home. We can have like a fun Disney day.
So essentially the next 2 videos are going to be some park stuff.
Yes. Yes.
If we don't get the boarding group, we'll have to talk about this throughout the night. We could still go somewhere and do something.
But either way, there will for sure be Magic Kingdom Day on Sunday. That was already our plan.
Regardless.
Right. So there will for sure be a Magic Kingdom Day on Sunday.
And if we do get the boarding group, this is going to be our first time on Tiana's. I am excited. Splash Mountain was my favorite Magic Kingdom ride. Yours has always been Space Mountain, but something about Splash Mountain was like a little bit of the nostalgia and the thrill, and it's a pretty long ride.
Definitely like I feel like that ride's definitely a good second runner-up for me. Yeah. The Space Mountain is just, I don't know, there's just something about it, just very nostalgic to me. Like, I don't know, I just love it so much. But Splash Mountain, I feel like it's definitely a runner-up because it's all about that thrill. That's what it is, the drops and stuff.
And here's the thing, it's the same ride. Yes, the theming is going to be different, but it's the same ride system, same track. So I'm pumped to be back on that. But
right.
I have always loved Princess and the Frog.
Me too.
And until recently, Princess and the Frog and Tiana as a princess, it was not getting the love and attention that it deserved.
Agreed.
And it's the last hand-drawn Disney animated movie. And I feel like they went out with a bang, but I still think they should bring it back one more time.
Yeah, it's one of my favorite movies for sure, and she's one of my favorite princesses. So, and I'm very excited that we've already met her once in her princess dress, but then we'll get to meet her in August in her little like Bayou Adventure outfit. So that'll be really cute and exciting. So
in less than a month, our next little mini series we're staying at All Star Movies.
Yeah, for 2 nights.
we have that to look forward to after we have to go back to work after this. So.
And we'll give you guys a review on the new 1900 Park Fair character dinner. We're doing the dinner instead of the breakfast, so we'll give you guys our honest, of course, review on it about the food.
Always. And
the characters and everything. I really like all the Disney pictures and stuff that they have on the wall now.
Up above or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that looks really, really pretty.
Speaking
I'm
of
excited.
Disney pictures, I'm getting ideas with the movie posters that they have up there in the theater. That would look cool going up our stairs.
Yeah, definitely.
Samantha, we're taking
because our stairs are like so plain Jane. I really want to replace that light that's in there too. It's ugly. But yeah, we'll see. Honestly, the 1900 Park Fair, like when we did the character breakfast prior, that was like one of my favorite character meets that we've done. Like character dining that we've done.
As a whole was good. The food was good and the characters were good. So I'm seeing mixed reviews about the food, but I haven't really heard much about the dinner. It's more on the breakfast side.
Yeah, I have heard just by some of the things I've seen and heard that the dinner is better, the food is better at dinner, and the character interactions are better at dinner. And I almost kind of feel like maybe...
All right, sorry about that last clip. I ran out of storage, but we're back. It's time to fire this bad boy up. I almost forgot the hot dogs. We're doing those too. Are we ready? Temp is good. Whew. Let's throw them on. Also, I am definitely the first person to use this. This is so clean. All right, I don't know where our hot spot is on this, so I'm gonna put them all in the middle. All right, you guys know what time it is. It's time for the quarter turn. Okay, so I think this is our low side. I think this might be our hot spot right here. Got these dogs chilling out. Oh no, dog down, dog down. Back up there with your homies.
Can't reach over here.
She has been making them. I have been watching.
You're vouching for me.
Let me see. All right, let's see what it's looking like. Yeah, so more heat over here. Bring these guys over. What is our life right now?
I don't know, it's just our everyday life all the time.
You're in a hot tub. You got a pool. You got Disney music on. We're in a 9-bedroom house. Cooking out. Oh, that's a dream kitchen. Appreciate the moments. Finished products. Got the Colby Jack cheese. That looks pretty good.
I love Colby Jack cheese. It's my favorite.
We got the doors all the way open. I love this.
It's really cool.
It's like we're outside, but we're inside. And these fans, they work. Definitely the appropriate size fans. So a really nice feature. I thought the screen was just wet yesterday from the rain. This is like privacy screen, so you can't see through it. It's still a screen, but you can see the contrast. And not every house has this. So just something to think about, you know, give you and your family or whoever you're with a little bit of privacy, some privacy. All right, here we are. Burgers. Hot dogs, music, we got corn in the cob, It's still hot, so I cut it off the cob, so we'll have that in a little bit. But yeah, living our best Disney lives.
And then we also have chips in there too.
Oh, chips.
And we also have watermelon.
We're gonna end the night with a cookie and playing a little game of pool.
You just ate a cookie too.
Sure did. Are you good at pool?
No.
All right. Gonna be a good game.
We've played pool a couple times together. Remember at that place in Palm Coast?
Oh yeah.
We used to go with Eddie and Phil.
With Eddie G.
And Phil.
And Phil. Eddie brought us there though. What was that place called?
No idea.
Q-Note, something like that. Let's see what you got. Stud.
Ooh.
No. This from Greece. It didn't work there.
And studs are guys.
Well.
Something sweet.
How did that just happen?
We are watching The Haunted Mansion. In the Haunted Mansion. Love this room. So, fingers crossed, we're gonna try and get a virtual queue for Tiana's tomorrow. So, if we get it, we're going. If not, who knows? We still have a full day here. So, we'll see you tomorrow.
Maybe if we don't get Tiana's, maybe we can like pop over to like Disney Springs or something for a little bit.
Could do that. Get a little lunch or something.
They have that new. It's like I keep forgetting what it's called. It's like Happily Ever After or like something. It's that new store that like has all those like really cool displays, and they have like where you can make your own like headbands and stuff. Did you see that posted that?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Okay, I'll have to show you after this, but. It looks really, really cool. It's like a new store that they, I don't know if it's, I think they renamed it and they imagined the whole inside. So like there's like themes all around the store. So like there's a section of like just Donald Duck stuff, and there's a section of just Winnie the Pooh, and like a section of just like Marie. And then they have this like chair almost that's like literally from floor to ceiling of stuffed animals that they put along the whole thing. And then there's an area where you can make your own ears, and I think you can only put like a certain amount of things on them. But it's like you pick a headband, and then you literally they're like stuff like little tiny circle like stuffed animals, like characters, and you put them onto the ears. You make your own ears, so you can pick whatever character you want to put on the ears. It seems like a really cool store. I think we should go there and do a video there. I think it would be cool.
So, we'll see what tomorrow brings. If your dreams don't come true, make them.
I go to Hawaii. I gotta get going now because it's my anniversary.